Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sushi. So we are here for another tutorial how to transfer your files from your PC to your iPhone. Let's get started. So the next is you have to open your Google Chrome or your browser, then type sync.ios.com. Then find the download here in the left side. Click the Windows version, Windows 10, 8 or 7 or Vista, it depends upon your operating system. Then click Windows version, then wait it until it's done. Okay, I will cancel this download because I already have the file. Then after you download the installer, go to your downloads, then double click the setup sync iOS, then wait for the installer. Then after the installer loads in, click the sync iOS install now. You have to click the accept the end user license agreement of sync iOS, then hit install. Just wait the installation and until it's done. Then next, now the installer has finished installing the sync iOS. Then uncheck the open the program homepage after the installation. Just let the launch application check, then start now. So here you are, your sync iOS. Then what you have to do is to get your iPhone, the iPhone device. Then you have to connect your iPhone device on your computer or in your laptop. After connecting your iPhone, this thing will appear on your iPhone. Just click trust. After you connect your iPhone in your PC, then it will appear like downloading the drivers for your iPhone. Then after that, now here we are. You can now import some of your videos or music files in your iPhone. Then I will give you a sample here. I will get my music here in my desktop. This is the file, this is the music. Then what you have to do is only drag the music file here. Then it will automatically transfer the file here in your iPhone. Now I have my music here. Then the next is if you want to transfer some words or documents in your iPhone, just go to your device. Just go to your device, then click the File Explorer, then get the file and place it in what you want, and place it here anywhere you want, in the folder or in the outside of the folder. Then here we are, I have my file text here. And if this video helped you guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching. See you guys next tutorial. Bye.